So time check, it is about 10:05 a.m. and of course I've been on my phone for about an hour, but today is gonna be a good day, I think. Less of like the heavy cleaning to do. I might or might not meet up with my cousin. I might or might not meet up with my coworkers, friends, so we'll see. But for now, I need to again feed the dogs and do some outdoor work or yard work, and then we're gonna donate some stuff and then clean out some drawers, and then we're gonna do my finance and edit some videos, and that's that. So yeah, watch out for that. All right, so there's still definitely lots of chores in the house, and as I'm right now, the dogs are eating, and I know I featured them in my last video, and my last day in my life video, I was like cleaning, and I kind of just want to do it different, although technically I do have lots of dishes right now, so I'm probably going to do them first, and then later on I'll show you guys like my next list of things to do. Probably watering the plants is gonna be the next one after I wash the dishes. Dishes are done. All right, so now, oh, there's Bianca right here. I'm just gonna go drink some coffee and then water the plants outside and inside, and then do some errands after that, so yeah. All right, so this time I'm just writing down my list of things to do so that I can get them organized right away. So I already washed dishes, buy flowers because it's my dad's death anniversary. I'm gonna cook rice for lunch, and also I'm gonna try to attempt to cook tofu, salpicao, or sisig for lunch. I need to do this probably after lunch, donating items. Water outdoor plants, I think I'm gonna do it now while the sun is still hot outside. And then indoor plants, maybe like later tonight. Wash dog bowls probably tonight. Organize some cabinets. We'll see how it goes after like I donate some items. Edit video and update my finance and budgeting and stuff. And also I just received one response for my customized tracker. So if you guys want, I'll put the link in the description box below, but I'm basically I'm giving away a customized free tracker to whoever I choose, and I'll put the video in the description box below, where I put in how to win a customized finance tracker. So all you have to do is to follow all the rules in there, but it's pretty easy. I also put it in my highlight in my Instagram. So if you guys are not following me there, just make sure to follow me. It's at Your Friendly Budgetarian. So yeah, so you guys can win a free customized tracker and can also get my budget spreadsheet. All right, today's such a nice day, and now I'm gonna be watering the plants, keeping the dogs here inside, keeping them here because they are just gonna play with water. And for sure, I know Dewey is already, there he is. Yeah, and then there's Bianca, kept them busy with their treats. So we're gonna go get started. So just a little brief I'm just checking to see if there's neighbors around. I'm gonna show you guys what the yard looks like right now. Welcome back. I know I well, not but I do look like shit right now, and it's fine, whatever. Oh my gosh, I'm so dark. Anyways, I am here to show you guys what I'm gonna be cooking. So I'm basically gonna be cooking like a vegetarian dish, but a vegetarian Filipino dish. It's called Salpicao, but instead of like an actual meat, I'm gonna be cooking with some mushrooms and tofu. So let's prep it, and then I'll show you guys like how I cook it, or how I think I cook it. Alright, I don't know where the clip went, but basically I just chopped the tofu and some shiitake mushroom. So basically these will be our meat. So I'm excited for that. Next, I'm actually gonna be, since we're kind of running out of time, I'm gonna go ahead and fry these now. And while I'm frying them up, I will go ahead and make the sauce. And then, yeah, we'll go from there, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna do the sauce. We're gonna do oyster sauce if you don't have any oyster sauce. And because of the volume I have, I don't have a tablespoon, but I'm just gonna use the 1/4 cup, and honestly, I'm just eyeballing most of these. And then we also have our Worcestershire sauce. And then we have our soy sauce. And this one I'll do a 1/4 cup. And then we will also have, this one is optional, but this is a barbecue sauce. I just really like the taste of it. And then now I'm going to be adding some of the chili oil. So kind of a fail, but I had to transfer it to a bigger pot than this one because this one is smaller. So at least now I can see the actual browning color of the tofu. I still have the mushroom in here. And now I'm about to cut the green onions, and then later on I will mix this with the tofu but I will have to saute some garlic first. So right now that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, and that is the finished product, and the reason why it doesn't look like there's a lot because I have it here with me. Yum. So this is, I haven't had a vegetarian dish in a while, but basically this brown rice with furikake and togarashi, and then again the tofu, fried tofu, and shiitake mushroom, and then the sauce, and that's that. All right, so I'm super hungry. I'm just gonna go ahead and eat first. I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. Not trying to toot my own horn, but it's pretty good. It's so good. I don't know, honestly, I didn't really measure, like, especially the sauce, because that's probably the most important part of this dish. I was just kind of eyeballing it, but if you do have those ingredients that I showed you guys, then I think you will be able to create this. And it's really good. So, I don't know, I'm not really a vegetarian. I mean, I just try to eat healthy from time to time. So, and plus, as you guys saw, there's butter in it and the amount of oil. So it's not necessarily healthy in a way. Sure, it's an alternative to like meat and stuff, but it's still pretty good. So I would say as long as you're eating the right portions, then you guys should be fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna devour this and then maybe shower or something, and then go to the donation center. All right, so I decided not to take a shower. I'll just do it after I drop off the donations. And I'm just showing you my outfit. Again, I'm a very simple person. I don't really care most of the time of what I wear, especially if it's just a simple errand. This is just this. So it's a t-shirt and leggings, but obviously I'm not going to be wearing Crocs, or, well, these are not even Crocs. It's the one from Costco. Crocs look like, but these are like our house slippers. But yeah, sorry for the mess. I know there's an iron board there. That's also one of the things that I'm going to be doing later when I come back. So I'll show you guys a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I think I might just go to Savers this time and then see if they have some books that are on sale that I might like. So yeah. Alright, I'm here and I'm gonna go ahead and donate some items and then maybe come back with something. So I'll see you guys. Alright. I ended up kind of spending a lot of time. Well, not really. Right now it's 3:48. I think I was there, I would say about 20 minutes or so. But I ended up buying 5 books. I'll just show it to you guys. I wasn't able to film a while ago, so I'll just show it to you guys later. Alright, so back home, finally. Amongst the stuff that I need to do is, I did a lot. Probably the rest are just more indoor stuff. Honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to document that. I have some stuff. Anyways, just a little haul from Savers. Alright, let's do this. So I bought 5 books, but the 5th book is free. So that's why there was like a sale or something where if you buy 4 books, the 5th one is free. So anyways, first one I got is The Widow by Fiona Barton. Also, most of these books I actually did not like look it up. It's just something that kind of caught my attention, or maybe something that I'm kind of familiar or something like that, but I don't know what's in it or about the author as much, or yeah. Anyways, almost all of these books are about $3.50. So I have spent, sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. I've spent $15.17 for all these 5 books. So yeah, The Widow. Next one is A Man Called Of. I don't know, I guess the reason why I picked it up is just because I was like, oh, that's kind of unique. It made me think about, oh, is it supposed to be love? But then they named him Of, so I don't know. It's by Frederick Backman, and also I think I bought one more book by him, and this one has also has another unique title. It said, My Grandmother Asked Me to Tell You She's Sorry. And I don't know, also I just like that there's a dog in it, so that's that. The 4th book I got is this. It says Solution and Other Problems. Honestly, I was trying to figure out what this book is about, but then I saw different drawings and illustrations, and I was like, well, I haven't had a book where there's illustrations in it, and I don't know, it seemed like it's a good price for $3.50, wherein the original price is $30. So that's, I guess, maybe a win. Hopefully I like that book. Last but not the least is I have Sharp Objects. This one is pretty familiar with me. I have definitely seen this. I think it's yeah, it's HBO series, but we don't have HBO though. But I did try to borrow this like it's through the online library, but it's been like weeks before I would be able to get a copy of it, so that's why I just purchased it. So all in all, those are the 5 books. I'll let you guys know if there's anything that stands out within these books. Again, it probably will take some time, but typically for fiction books though, I kind of have been reading them pretty quick. The non-fiction ones, like the finance books that I have, that one takes a lot of time, and I kind of want to go back and forth with finance books, fiction books, finance books, fiction books, but yeah, it just depends. So yeah, that's it overall. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower now because it's been hot and I feel so grossed out to myself. And then if there's anything else that I would do, if I'm able to film it, I'll go ahead and do that. Otherwise, if not, then this might be the last film. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this another day off with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!